Welcome back to the channel. So as many of you have seen, a lot of my content is about earning failures. Now, a big thing about earning failures is that it helps us find sectors that will start receiving a rotation either in or a rotation out, specifically when we have failures occurring within the same sector. Now, believe it or not, we're seeing that happen right now. I mean, spoiler alert, you're looking at it right now. Space companies. We've got 3 space companies that reported earnings in the past week. All 3 companies initially went down on their earnings. And all 3 of these companies are currently valid earning failure plays. Whenever I see something like that failures are occurring within the same sector, the chances of that earning failure working out goes up tremendously. Not just that, but the chances of that earning failure leading to a trade that goes on for weeks on end, possibly even longer, is even higher because the money rotation into that sector takes some time to play out. A couple hours ago, I added this stock to my position here, Rocket Lab Corporations, which is ticker RKLB. They reported earnings overnight. Let me try to bring this up on Thinkorswim so we could dial into the actual earnings release there. Let's take a look at this together. Numbers come out, dumps. Conference call begins. Dumps even more, right? Stays at the lows until about 5 a.m. And at 5 a.m., it begins to get bid up. Let's take a look at SPCX, right? This is a position we do have on already. I have a video on it from last week. It's not having the best of days, okay? Now let's keep in mind, we do have the constant issue of the lockup period, which ended, one of the lockup periods ended last week. So we might be seeing a level of selling. Plus, it's a super big retail favorite stock, which does lead to volatility. I mean, granted, all the space stocks are super retail friendly. Not retail friendly, but to get a lot of attention from retail. But SpaceX the most. Either way, we are in this trade. The earning failure mark is about at 125, so we still have some margin there. But either way, same deal. You can see the gap down here off the back of earnings, and then we managed to reverse all those losses, right? So that happened. And then we also have the last example here is ASTS, which again, if we look at it, ASTS, and we look at the minute chart, again, they reported earnings yesterday, just like RKLB did. The numbers brought it down right away. It traded lower, and then right about the same time that RKLB ended up getting bid up, so did the ASTS overnight, right? But it was still trading. After everything was said and done, after the numbers were out, after the earnings call was had, I mean, it was trading down 3-4%. And now it's trading up 4%. So out of all of them, obviously there's a lot more strength in ASTS compared to anything else. It's still kind of stuck in this little consolidation period here. But I would not be surprised to see that over the course of the next couple of weeks, this is going to be the sector to be. Because we've had 3 stocks now within the sector show us that reversal. And historically speaking, from all the time that I've done these earning failures, whenever I see this happening within the same sector, it bodes well for any long within the sector for the most part. Now, personally, I have no intention to be playing ASTS as well. I've already got exposure to 2 space stocks that have had an earnings failure. That's enough for me. As you guys know, I have a ratio spread with SpaceX, and now I have shares of RKLB. And that's how I'm going to leave it. But this trade looks promising now that I've seen all 3 of these companies have an earnings failure, and they're all essentially within the same niche. Now, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more content such as this one. Hopefully this was helpful, valuable information for your trading career. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Till next time.